Hi guys, my name is Maria, and here we'll try to discuss some trading situations that I think will be interesting for you. And those will be like Brent, Bitcoin, Japanese yen, euro, dollar, something that you trade every day. Also, we can take American dollar indexes. This is something that I think is interesting right now, but we gotta trade it really careful. I'm a trader, I'm an investor, I'm someone who has a huge YouTube channel with the Russian speaking people, but here in English speaking area I just try to do some steps because I know that there are a lot of people who would like to know more and more about trading. I wish myself more days in a week so I can help to everyone, even in English speaking area as well. So let's go to discuss what I have for you right now, what I can show you, what I can give you, what you can trade. About the euro dollar, my basic idea is that for the daily chart, we got profits near 117.80, and if you go back to my videos, you will find this target 117.80. So from this point right now, they're not showing a good buy signal, and more to say, I have targets like 115.60. Pay attention, 115.60. Technically I have those targets, and it's not something like you gotta sell it right now, but we have those targets, so we gotta pay attention that right now if we see loss something like 118, it does not mean that they will show us an upgoing tendency. They can give you a little correction and after that go down to 115.60. I'm not paying attention to use as a factor to trade, like it's not a reason to buy or sell, but right now I can say you that we have technical profit and we have technical reason to wait 115.60. If we speak about the end of March, we have 3 more days, and right now on Monday we don't have a good fundamental opportunity to wait for upgoing tendency or downgoing tendency because we don't have news. If we go to Tuesday, well, also it's a little bit boring, but if we go to Wednesday, we'll see that there are some news for oil market, there are some news for statistical news, pay attention, statistical news. There are some news for American labor market, and this is something that market will wait for, and this is a volatility period. So a good trading moment for euro dollar will be on Wednesday. But what you got to pay attention to is that even if we see here, even if we see 118.30, this is still a risk for us that we see a good resistance, after which we'll see a break and price will go down. Okay, so 118.30 right now is a resistance that will block further upgoing tendency. And under 117.80 intraday, I'm gonna try to find entry point to sell. So the market is not showing a buy signal on daily chart right now, and this is a huge risk for us that we'll see lower prices. So we are not allowed to buy and hold right now. Okay, so your level of resistance for future couple of days is like 118.30, and after that they may go to even to 116 and 115.60. To see more trading ideas, you can in my Telegram channel, which is free, and you're welcome to go there and wait for good analytical researchers. About the Great Britain pound, I want to say that here is 138, a level of resistance. Above this level, we can try to buy up to 139. I'm not in trades right now. On Monday, this is like the beginning of a day, I'm not in a market for Great Britain pound because I don't have a good technical reason for daily charts, so I'm gonna wait. This is the end of March. We're not in a hurry to trade because market may close positions. Close positions means like to fix a profit, and if you go to March, you can see that there was no good downgoing tendency which makes market to fix huge positions, like it will jump up. So what I think for future couple of days, market will stay in a little range, and it's not worth it to wait for like 140 on 135. In future 3 days, market will stay in a little ranges unless they get some force majeure or some unexpected news. Okay. So if we go to Japanese yen, there are some questions like they shocked me today. Well, I have a support mail, and people write there. I have different well, LinkedIn's and this like social, possibilities to ask questions. And there were questions today that I opened to mail, like I sold Japanese yen with the United States dollar near 0.03 level, and I still hold a position. Well, first of all, come on, you're a rich guy if you did that. Second one, you're not a trader. You are you have problems with the trading. Okay, so this is a bad situation, and you now are losing your money, and still you can lose even more because there were some news, explaining from different analytical companies that price for United States dollar with the Japanese yen may go to 114. I'm okay with that. Now my target for long positions is 110.40. It's right here, 110.40, and they may go to 108. They may test this level, but if they don't, they will keep moving to 110, like 110.40, and after that they may go to 114. I don't see a reason to sell right now. So I had this level like 109.20, 109.20, and above 109.20, I told you to buy with the target 110, 110.40. So right now our target is 110.40. And if they break it, they will go right here to 114. So I don't see opportunity to sell right now, and I don't see a good opportunity for people who sold near 103. What I can say you is that you gotta close all your positions, take a rest, and start from the beginning. I'm so sorry to say that, but don't do that. I'm not saying you what to do. It's something that I'm thinking about from my point of view, and I do remember those situations when I was holding bad positions for many days, many years ago, but I did that. I did that 100% because you're not sure about what's going on with the market, and you're waiting. You have hope that it will give you another signal in a day or in 2 days, and you are just not okay with analytical researchers. You are not okay with understanding what's going on with the market. You do not know, and this is a problem. So that's why if you have short positions from lowest like 104, 103 levels, this is too bad, and you gotta learn how to trade seriously with the stop losses, with the tendencies. The easiest thing is to learn tendencies and to work with them on daily charts, on weekly charts, on 1-hour charts, on 15-minute charts. Tendencies is like, this is a key, yes, this is a trading key, I would say, that may help to everyone to trade. After that, you got to learn how to put stop losses, how to realize that this is the break or not to break situation of the tendency. I would say that this is a key thing, tendencies. Okay, for Bitcoin, what I can say about the Bitcoin is that my idea is that they still may show you like 37,000 level, but right now price is 55,740, and I'm not an expert in Bitcoin, but I'm someone who was buying Bitcoin and I sold it. I'm not okay right now to invest money and to hold those long positions because I'm afraid that it will not appear like that. I need a correction. I want to see a good correction after which I enter market. So if you want to say that right now it's a good price to enter market and longer hold your long positions for Bitcoin, I wouldn't say like that because I'm afraid for my own money. And I want a correction. Even if I lose this situation and Bitcoin goes to 66 level, 78 level, whatever, I will be okay that I did not break my trading rules. And I do have trading rules. I'm not sure if you see, now you don't see, let me show you technical situation, yes. If we go to technical situation, look here. They broke the previous tendency and now they may retest it, So I'm okay to wait and to see what's going on with the market and not enter market right now. I don't like it at all. So what we have for future couple of days, we have the end of March, lack of news, and only on Wednesday, in the last day of March, we're gonna get China PMI, which will be really good for understanding what will happen on Thursday with American dollar index. And if the PMI of China is bad, American dollar index will go up. If it's good, American dollar index will go down. So this is something that works for like 6 years, I would say, and it still works. Okay, about indexes, S&P 500 is near the highest level that we can see of this year, and if they break it, they will go up to 4,220 level, yeah, like that. It still may happen, but we gotta go on 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart and wait that they sit on the highest point of this year as a support. So they break it and sit on this level as a support. After this, I think you're okay to enter market and buy this instrument. For Dow Jones, it's kind of the same. If they break the highest level and sit on it like a support, you're welcome to go further and buy with the target 35,000. For Nasdaq, let's talk about the Nasdaq. My hope for the future period is to wait for like 13,480 level, and if they break it in one day, like go up and break it, I will be really thankful, and I will hold my stocks, but not buying Nasdaq. So right now I'm not in Nasdaq, but I do have stocks that are in Nasdaq. And what I want to say that if they stop here and Nasdaq will stay in this level of resistance and won't go further, I will just close my stocks. That's it. That's something that I'm waiting for to the end of March, beginning of April. Okay, I hope that was useful for you, and if you have questions, you're welcome to ask them under this video about trading, about your opportunity to trade. First of all, you gotta understand that you have to learn how to understand what's going on with the market, to draw those tendencies, to use some indicators, and after that you're okay to enter market and try to earn money here. And also you gotta think about the psychological thing. In my Russian YouTube, I have those videos about the psychology of a trader, and if I have time, I will try to make the same content for English speaking area. Yes, I hope I do have time for that, because I do understand that this is a really important part for traders, to have a stable understanding what you are doing and to know those tricks. Like if you feel bad with the trading, like you got stop loss, inside you become to make mistakes, you start to think different, you start to break your rules. And this is a huge part for a trader, to be stable in your mind. And if you can hold yourself and be strong, you will be able to trade and earn money here. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you will get profits this week with the help of my videos, and push those thumbs up under the video, and you're welcome to join it and stay here. I have a Telegram channel. You're welcome to support it with a coming to this Telegram channels. And also I have Trading Club and Trading Club Pro. Those are areas where I share my trading ideas on daily basis. And for Trading Club, I publish twice a week video with a huge research for market, with the trading entry points. In those two videos, Trading Club, it's like $5 per month, and what you do, you get two videos like on Monday, on Thursday, or on Sunday, on Thursday, something like that, with trading ideas. So if you have time to watch those videos, if you want to know entry points for Euro dollar, for Great Britain pound, you're welcome to enter the Trading Club as well. See you later. Bye bye, guys.